Today's medical-centric topic is black-eyed peas, cowpeas, nutrition facts and benefits. Despite their name, black-eyed peas aren't peas. They're actually beans, also known as cowpeas. And while they might not be as trendy as chickpeas or lentils, these humble legumes pack a serious nutritional punch. Let's break down the health benefits, key nutrients, and why you might want to give black-eyed peas a spot in your kitchen. Nutrition snapshot per 1 cup cooked. 160 calories, 5 grams of protein, 0.6 grams of fat, 33 grams carbohydrates, 8 grams fiber, no cholesterol. Rich in folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A. They're also naturally gluten-free and low in fat, making them great for a variety of diets. Health benefits. Supports digestive health. With 8 grams of fiber per cup, black-eyed peas help keep things moving, supporting healthy gut bacteria, and may reduce the risk of digestive issues like constipation and diverticulitis. Helps manage blood sugar. Thanks to their low glycemic index and fiber content, black-eyed peas digest slowly, meaning fewer blood sugar spikes. That makes them a smart choice for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Heart-healthy choice. These beans are rich in potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure. Their fiber also helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, protecting your heart in the long run. Packed with plant protein. With 5 grams of protein per serving, black-eyed peas are a solid plant-based option, especially when paired with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa for a complete amino acid profile. Boosts iron and folate. Black-eyed peas are an excellent source of iron, which helps prevent anemia, and folate, which is vital during pregnancy for fetal development and red blood cell production. Weight-friendly. Low in calories and high in fiber, they help keep you full longer, making them ideal for weight loss or maintenance. How to use them. Add to soups, stews, and curries. Toss into salads or grain bowls. Puree into a savory bean dip. Traditional dishes like Hoppin' John with rice and greens. Canned versions are convenient. Just rinse well to reduce sodium. Dried ones are budget-friendly and easy to cook in a pressure cooker or on the stovetop. Bottom line, black-eyed peas are nutrient-dense, versatile, and easy on the wallet. Whether you're plant-based or just looking to eat cleaner, these little beans deserve a spot in your rotation.